So I want to show you how to make this really quick and easy stained glass project using the Crayola washable color glue and glitter glues. All you need to do is take any frame, take the backing out of it. This one has an acrylic front, but you can also use glass. And you want to outline your picture, whether that's something you print off an outline or if you have some art skills, you can do it freehand. You can use the color glues or glitter glues. And then you're going to leave that to dry, and it's going to turn translucent once it's dry. Then you want to turn it over, fill in using your colors of glue. You can use one color or many different colors. And again, allow it to dry until it's translucent. I then turned it over and added some extra details on the front. You can see I used the yellow there to add some prickles to my cactus and let it dry again, and then just popped it back in the frame, and simple, it was finished. I loved adding that glitter for a little bit of extra sparkle there. You can mix and match between the color glues and the glitters, but isn't that super simple? Pop it up on the wall, pop it in front of a window, or pop a tea light behind it, and you have a beautiful stained glass project. Great for kids or adults. Super simple project there with the Crayola glues.